Now, students, very good mornings. I am Mamra Singh. This is the third method of calculating national income, that is called expenditure method. Right? First, we understand expenditure method is the system of calculating gross domestic product that combines consumption, investment, government spending, and net export. It is the most common way to estimate GDP. So here is the expenditure method measuring the national incomes. Right? All things we are included is these are the spending by household is known as consumptions, spending by the farm is known as investment, or whatever the government investment, that is called government investment, and spending for foreigners on exporter minus spending on imports, that is called net exports. Right? So these are all the method of expenditure method. GDP, what is the GDP in this? Sum of the all expenditure of four sector of the economy we calculated. Expenditure, household expenditure plus firm expenditure plus government expenditure plus export or import equal to GDP at market price. But following adjustment to be made: include value of unsold good added to inventories, second hand sales to be excluded, and depreciation to be deducted in this method. Right? Expenditure method. To understand the component of final expenditure, first we private final consumption expenditure, second government final consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation, and net export. The gross domestic capital formation means gross fixed capital formation plus inventory investment, that is called gross domestic capital formations. Whatever this we can include it in expenditure method. Right? I have already explained you final expenditure method, final consumption expenditure, final investment expenditure. Again, private final consumption, government final consumptions, final investment of now gross domestic capital formation or net export. A gross domestic capital formation we divide into gross fixed capital formation or change in stock, that is called inventory. Right? The gross domestic capital formations or gross investment, that is gross fixed capital formation means gross business fixed investment, gross residential contributions, gross public investment, or inventory investment, change in stock minus opening stock or closing stock. Right? So we understand all these things. So some step are identifying the method involving identification of economic unit, incur final expenditure, household, consuming sector, firm or producing sectors, and government sectors. Right? Classification of final aggregate into following component: private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, gross fixed capital formation equal to change in stock equal to opening minus closing stock, and net export. We all add this in national income. This is the expenditure method. Measurement of final action on the above components, sum total of these all five. Right? And GDP at me by deducting depreciation and net indirect tax from GDP at MP. So we get net domestic product at factor cost. Right? Again, net factor income from abroad, which is added into net domestic product at factor cost plus. So then we can calculate the national incomes. Right? What are the precautions? The precautions taken for the correct estimation of national income by expenditure method are: to avoid the double counting expenditure on the all intermediate goods and services. Right? For example, purchase of vegetable by restaurant, expenses on electricity by factories, etc. are not included as they are at intermediate consumptions. Right? Government expenditure on transfer payments such as scholarship, unemployment allowance, old age pension is excluded from the national income because no productive service is rendered by the recipient in exchange. Expenditure on purchase of second-hand good is excluded, means it is not included in national incomes. Right? Because this type of expenditure is not currently produced. Right? Fourth is expenditure on purchase of old share bonds or new share bonds, etc. is excluded because it is not payment for goods or services currently produced. It shows mere transfer of property from one person to another. Right? Likewise, gift from abroad which bring transfer payment are not included. imputed expenditure on own account means owner occupying his house, self-consumed output by farmer should be included, right? So we understand the chapter third, third, the expenditure method. Thanks for watching this. Students, like it, subscribe it. Have a great day.